Яка? Щастлив ли си вече?
Да, защото имам следито.
За рождения ти ден аз ти казах, всичко ще бъде окей.
What's going on, guys? It's fucking 8 in the morning and I'm off to the shop again to finish some minor things, put the steering wheel on the car, shit like this. Yesterday we stayed until around 2:30 a.m. Because I had clutch problems, and yeah, we managed to sort that out. I hope so, because we are going on a dyno today. We have to get the car tuned because it's on a standalone ECU, and that shit is just not possible to be tuned without a dyno. So yeah, stay tuned and hope to see some wild footage today.
Работи, да, тя е само една, то това може би е леко проблемното.
Не ухожда.
А?
Не ухожда само.
Да.
Tough day. So first thing first, the crankshaft position sensor just was not okay. Fix that. After that, we go to the dyno. The clutch stops working, doesn't want to disengage, and even worse, the belt, the crankshaft starts to throw belts because it was just not the right pulley. Okay, I run to the store, I buy a new pulley, I buy a belt, we put it on the dyno, everything fucking works. 290 horsepower, wheel horsepower, and 470 wheel torque, which is pretty fucking good. This is on 95 octane, so it's not 100, it's 95, and it's fucking amazing performance. I feel like the car has insanely smooth torque curve, and yeah, I presume that we're going to be able to rip it. We're gonna rip it hard, definitely. That's it. Now I'm just going to drop the car off at INI, and then I have to go back to the shop to help the owner to clean up a bit because I made a mess yesterday. We worked until 2:30, 2:40 a.m. just to get everything working. And yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with the result. It's finally going to be time to actually drive the car. Like, I cannot fucking believe it.